हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रेया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शी पैशनेट का रिव्यू शेयर करने वाली हूँ। ये पेंडोरा सेंट्स से है एंड पेंडोरा सेंट्स इज लाइक अ सिस्टर ब्रांच टू पैरिस कॉर्नर। सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू रिव्यू टुडे। सो लेट्स बिगिन। बिफोर वी डू सो मेक श्योर कि आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, यू हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन एंड यू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। एंड नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। इसका पैकेजिंग कुछ इस तरीके से आता है, बिल्कुल ही सोबर एंड बेसिक कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स है रेड कलर का, जिसके ऊपर सी पैशनेट लिखा हुआ है एंड पेंडोरा सेंट्स है। पीछे की तरफ पैरिस कॉर्नर का लोगो लगा हुआ है, क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस स्टिकर टू नो दैट दिस इज एन ओरिजिनल फ्रेग्रेंस। ये बॉक्स थोड़ा सा मुझसे ब्रेक हो गया एंड आई डोंट नो, आई वॉज वेरी रफ विद इट एक्चुअली। एंड अंदर की तरफ बॉटल यहाँ पे रखी हुई है। मैं थोड़ी इम्पेशेंट हो गई और मैंने बहुत ज़ोर से खींच दिया तो बॉक्स टूट गया, मेरी ही गलती है। एंड दिस इज़ हाउ द बॉटल लुक्स लाइक। इट इज़ अ वेरी वाइब्रेंट रेड कलर विथ ब्लैक कैप with some golden in it, and overall this is how the bottle looks like. लाइट के ऑपोजिट रखने पे आपको पता चल जाएगा कितना परफ्यूम यूज़ हुआ है। एंड ओपन करने पे एटोमाइजर इज़ अगेन ब्लैक कलर एंड डिस्पेंसेस द प्रोडक्ट रियली वेल। मैं आपको थोड़ा सा स्प्रे करके बताती हूँ। सो द एटोमाइजर इज़ गुड एंड सो इज़ द फ्रेग्रेंस। नाउ दिस परफ्यूम इज़ अ वेरी गॉर्जियस fruity, sweet, woody perfume, right? It has hints of florals also, but the fruity and the woodiness is pretty prominent in this one. And if you can't tell already, this one is a dupe of Armani Sea Passion perfume. That is like one of my favorite DNAs. I have been really loving it so much because I have tested and tried Platinum perfume ka Sea Passion also. Absolutely fell in love with the DNA of this one. So let's talk about the notes breakdown for this one. This has pear, blackcurrant, pink pepper and some grapefruit. In the middle notes it has pineapple, rose, jasmine, heliotrope. In the base notes it has vanilla, cedar, amber wood and patchouli. सो नोट्स ब्रेकडाउन से आपको पता चल रहा होगा, दिस इज़ वेरी रिच इन फ्रूटी एंड जूसी एलिमेंट्स इन दिस. द पेयर, द ब्लैक करंट, ग्रेप फ्रूट, एवरीथिंग इज लाइक super juicy, super sweet, and then this addition of rose, vanilla, pineapple, all these things just make it like a super fruit bowl. And this is such a people pleaser fragrance. जब भी मैंने ये लगाया है, I went to office, everyone seemed to ask, what perfume are you wearing? This is smelling so good. I think when this rose mixes up with all this fruity and juiciness, it just creates one of the most intoxicating and a very alluring and a very attractive perfume. वैसे इसमें jasmine भी है, but to my nose jasmine is literally non-existing. It's playing its work in the background, but heliotrope and rose is much prominent on my skin and my clothes as compared to jasmine. इस परफ्यूम को हम एक प्रॉपर फ्रक्चूली परफ्यूम भी बोल सकते हैं, विच हैज़ मेजॉरिटी ऑफ फ्रूट्स मिक्सड विथ पचूली, विच मेक्स इट फ्रक्चूली. You know, this one is a very happy perfume. It just sets a good mood. It's a good start of the day kind of a fragrance. Kind of makes me feel very elegant, very girly, well put together. And overall, the vibe is very positive and very happy with this perfume. I find this to be best suited to be worn during daytime, be it any season. This is just perfect daytime wear. Very casual fragrance, like I mentioned, office friendly, casual fragrance, something that you can wear on your daily chores. And overall, this will just make you feel very fresh, very clean and very elegant. This is not at all a unisex fragrance. It is specifically meant for women because it's super feminine. And this is, like I mentioned, this is a compliment getter. You just have to be a little oversprayer with this one because when I use around 10 to 12 sprays of this, then I get around 5 to 6 hours of longevity, and the projection is pretty good in the first hour. After that, it creates like a decent scent bubble around me. Now, what I like the best about this perfume is, apart from being uplifting, the price point for this one. It is priced for 2000 rupees for 100 ml, but on Paris Corner India website, which is the official website for Pandora and Paris Corner perfumes, this one is priced for around 1300. This one is super affordable for the kind of perfume quality that you're getting. I do have a coupon code of 5% off, which is beauty and the code 5. I will leave it right here. If you purchase from Paris Corner India and your minimum purchase is 1500, you can apply my coupon and get a 5% off. So that way, I think overall, if you purchase this perfume and combine it with some other perfume and then place your order, you are going to get the best deal. I do want to mention that the code and the links, none of it is affiliated. Only if you're comfortable using for your own benefit, you do that. Otherwise, you don't. So coming back to this perfume, I really enjoyed the DNA of this one. So this is the kind of fragrance that everyone in the house seems to like. This is a very easy reach fragrance. There is nothing challenging in this perfume. A very people pleaser and something which is very perfect for gifting if somebody is into fruity fragrances. My overall rating for this one is 9 out of 10, 1 mark cutting only for the performance. I wish it was a slight bit stronger. So that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't, subscribe, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye.